Hi, I'm Gila, and I'm a product manager at Augury. Today, we're unboxing Baker Hughes's new Ranger Pro sensor and Cordant Edge Gateway for hazardous environments. Whether you work in hazardous environments or in difficult-to-access areas where wired solutions won't work, this setup has you covered. Let's dive in. First up, let's take a look at the sensor. The Ranger Pro is a triaxial sensor. It can measure machine vibrations, magnetic flux, and surface temperatures, providing high precision and diagnostic accuracy for your machines. It's approved for hazardous areas up to C1D1 or ATEX IECEx Zone 0 or 1 and designed for high G applications. It can handle peaks of 40 to 60 G without missing a beat. It's also rated for operations in ambient temperatures between -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, or -40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. The Ranger Pro is encased in stainless steel with an IP67 hermetically sealed casing, so it's water resistant up to a depth of about 3 feet for up to 30 minutes. It really is built to handle the toughest environments, dust, water, you name it. Because of its durable design, the Ranger Pro sensor is bigger and heavier than our R4000 family of sensors. But it also has a really strong mounting system to ensure it is secured in place. So, what about battery life? The Ranger Pro has a replaceable D-size 3.6-volt lithium-thionyl chloride battery. It's easy to swap out and replace it yourself because of its standard button tap termination, which you can see here. You can buy the replacement batteries online, or we'll ship you replacements at no additional cost. And with its 3 to 4 year battery life, you won't have to replace it often. Now, let's talk about the Cordant Edge Gateway. This is a powerhouse node that supports up to 40 sensors per gateway, providing you with highly efficient IoT connectivity. The gateway is designed to work seamlessly with a Ranger Pro sensor, even at distances of up to 100 meters line of sight, or about 328 feet. So, it follows the long-range ISA 100 wireless protocols. This gateway also has an array of accessories designed for effective coverage in hard-to-access areas deep inside these hazardous environments. Two accessories that I want to highlight are its antennas. This gateway is equipped with a high-gain antenna that covers wider distances by narrowing the direction of data transmission. This allows you to point it to the right sensor and get a high-powered signal. It also has an external antenna with an extension cord of up to 10 meters or about 32 feet. This gateway is made to get around specific ranges and barriers. The best part about this setup is that it's integrated with Augury's machine health platform. No matter what type of sensor you're using, whether it's Ranger Pro or Augury Halo R4000 series, our platform ties all of your machine health data together, giving you clear and actionable insights in one place. And there you have it, the Ranger Pro sensor and Cordant Edge Gateway. For more information on our solutions, click the link below and subscribe to Augury's YouTube channel to stay updated on our latest product news and more.